The speech processor test device is a troubleshooting tool for detecting the most common audio processor problems. To troubleshoot with the speech processor test device, switch on your Sonnet. Place the flat side of the DL-Coil under the speech processor test device. Speak into the Sonnet microphones. The indicator light should flicker to the rhythm of your voice. If it doesn't, adjust the volume and speak into the microphones. If the indicator light still doesn't flicker, change the batteries and speak into the microphones. If the indicator light still doesn't flicker, replace the coil cable. If your Sonnet still isn't working, or for immediate assistance, please contact your CI center